What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got an update real quick. I want to let y'all know that the people, the whales, the SHIB army has not lost faith. We still have people with deep pockets gobbling up large amounts of Shiba Inu. So there's Ethereum whale, Blue Whale 0073 bought 301 billion Shiba Inu tokens. So the second biggest meme coin, Shiba Inu, is currently trading at a very low price, and this gives the opportunity to the investors to increase the amount of SHIB token to buy more, especially the crypto whale. So imagine all these whales that have been buying SHIB at the 23 level, 25 level, 27 level, even when, you know, the people that bought in at the 28 when we touched that briefly. You don't think these people want to buy the dip? You know, if they're smart investors, they're going to add more to their position. Now, if you're one of those people that bought when the price was more expensive, right now is an opportunity for you to bring your overall cost down. So we'll get into the price in a second after this, but we got Whale Stats updating us, letting us know that this person just bought $6.1 million worth of SHIB, y'all. So they're expecting, you know, to at least see, I would say, at least a 50% gain on this. You know, if they're if they're somebody that wants to, you know, trade and make a quick profit, you know, they could take 30%. You know, even think about it. 50%, 25%, 1.5 million, even 12% is still $600,000 if they, you know, do a quick scalp like that. So the bigger money you play with, the bigger the profits are in a shorter period of time. So I just want y'all to be aware that people will be taking profits, and we'll look at some of those areas where they're likely to take profits, so that way y'all can be prepared for it ahead of time. So the whales purchased coins, SHIB tokens, and moved to Blue Whale 0073 with the owner of that wallet paying a fee of $9 for Ether. Blue Whale is currently ranked 257 in Whale Stats for top Ethereum addresses. So this person is the 257th largest address holding Ethereum, y'all. This is not a game. This is not a drill. This is real money we're talking about here. When people with this amount of money are buying something, they're not doing it just for the sake of it, y'all. So please pay attention. You know, do whatever works for you. This is not financial advice. I just want y'all to pay attention to what's going on. So and the whale made a series of purchases for the meme coin since last month. Blue Whale 0073 bought over 500 billion Shiba Inu in April alone and continued to increase holdings whenever there is a price dip. At the time of writing, Blue Whale 0073 now holds a total of 403 billion Shiba Inu token worth around $8.4 million and 46,000 Ether, currently worth 133.6 million. Now think about that, y'all. This person at first just owned around, let's say, 2 million. But when the price dropped, they just tripled up their bag. Instead of buying 2 million, they just bought an extra 6 million. So basically quadrupled their bag total. So that's what smart money does. When the price dips, they're not buying, you know, they're not going to put, if he has, you know, $8 to $10 million that he plans on spending on SHIB total, he's not going to do that all out the gate. He'll buy 2 million here, you know, see what the price does. If the price gives him the profit that he's looking for from there, then he'll take that. But if it pulls back, he saved enough money to be able to buy the dip, and in his case, he can buy it heavily with $6 million. So I just want y'all to be aware that whales are still, you know, believing in SHIB. So don't be fooled by any of the FUD or the, you know, possible confusion that's going on out there. SHIB is still on the move. I think it's just right now a better time to be able to load up on your position before the prices are back at that 25, you know, level. But let's take a look real quick. So we got Bitcoin at 38,000, ETH at 2792, SHIB sitting at the 2058 level. Right now, let's take a look at our Bollinger Bands and see what this indicator is telling us. Well, this is one of the first indicators I taught y'all to use because it's a very strong indicator, and it really will help you out a lot, especially for those that you know, are looking to day trade. So right now, you notice the price is sitting at a 36 on the RSI. That is completely at 35 and below is undersold. So I mean, excuse me, oversold. So right now we're sitting right at that point where SHIB is oversold. Yes, it could pull back just a tad bit more. Let's take a look at the Bollinger Bands here. Our lower Bollinger Band tells us that the price is likely the lowest it wants to pull back to is that 1973 level. So you can either set those buy orders at the 1973 level and snipe there to load up. You know, this is not financial advice. This is some day trading, you know, wild, risky, whatever advice. But it's not even advice. This is just what day traders would do. They wait for the price to pull back to this lower area here, snipe it, load up right there, and then wait for the price to return towards this mid Bollinger Band and either trade for a profit there, or if it breaks through, start being ready to take profit around this 27 level. So we are likely to either go next to this 23 level, the 27 level, or if we pull back that 1973 level. Now it's pointing that it wants to, wick down to that 18 level again, but that was just because we had, some shock in the market right there. 17 level is strong again. That's where we think this 18 level try to push to, but it held right there. So let's also take a look at our MACD. That will help us know, are we close to the price flipping? This is called the moving average convergence divergence. So what we're looking for here is for this blue line to begin to cross over this orangish line. Once this line starts to curl up and crosses over this line, then you know the price is going to go back bullish. So right now it's not looking like it wants to cross over that just yet. So we can wait, until, these lines start to move closer and closer together. And right before it actually crosses, that's when you're, that's when it's a better time to, expect the price to go up or, grab a position. But you can't wait. I like to grab my positions, I'm not gonna lie, off the lower Bollinger Band. That's what I seen be the most, I'll say correct for me. Once I'm day trading, I wait for the price to pull here, especially if we got a low RSI like this. This is crazy. It's a perfect, almost a perfect setup right now to know that the price is likely to go back up because it's oversold. The price is super cheap right now. It's not going to be this way forever. SHIB is, still a top 15, still a top 15 asset. So is Shiba Inu all of a sudden worthless? No, it's not. So we still believe in it. We're still 5 years plus in SHIB, 5 to 10 years. So when we see this is just a buying opportunity. We're down 12% for the week, so you can scoop that discount up. If you're interested in learning how to become a better investor, you're serious about learning how to trade, reach out to me to get my technical analysis course, my crypto 101 course, or my stock options trading course. That's all we got for this video. Reach out to me, DecemberDemarco@gmail.com. Again, that's DecemberDemarco@gmail.com. The same way the channel is spelled, and then at gmail.com. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't so you can stay up to date with all the updates coming with SHIB, and we are out.